Thank you, Ma'am Norven B. Lagora. You may now take your seats, graduates. Once again, congratulations to all of you. To the founding president, Dr. Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. To our school president, Dr. Felix C. Chavez. Ma'am Rosemary N. Dimagnaong, the school administrator. Sir Brian T. Alberto, the Associate Vice President for Basic Education. Ma'am Jade M. Isaal, the K-10 Principal. Sir John C. Chavez, the Senior High School Principal. To Reyna G. Ayang, the K-6 Assistant Principal. Parents, of course, our dear graduates, faculty and staff, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to each and every one of you. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili for really finishing the K-12, the grade 6 and grade 12 levels. Isang matatag na araw sa ating lahat. Dear graduates, faculty, parents, and esteemed guests, it is with great honor and privilege that I stand before you today to celebrate these remarkable achievements of the graduating class of Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated Integrated Basic Education Department. As we gather here to mark this significant milestone in your lives, I am reminded of the theme that guides us today. Faith in action, conquering impossibilities through hard work, perseverance, and steadfast determination. Faith not just in a higher power, but faith in yourselves, in your abilities, and in your dreams is the cornerstone of your journey. It is this unwavering belief that will propel you forward, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. But faith alone is not just enough. It must be coupled with action. Hard work, perseverance, and steadfast determination are the building blocks of success. They are the tools that will help you navigate through the trials and tribulations that life may throw your way. Remember, nothing worth having comes easy. It is the sweat, the late nights, and the sacrifices that pave the way for greatness. As you embark on this new chapter of your lives, remember that the road ahead may not always be smooth. There will always be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it is during these times that your faith will be tested. And it is during these times that your true strength will shine through. Let me share to you a story about a young farmer named Alex. Let us call this young farmer as Alex. Once in a bustling village, there lived a young farmer whose name is Alex. Alex dreamed of transforming his small plot of land into a flourishing garden that would feed the entire village. Despite facing droughts and poor soil quality, Alex held on to his faith in his vision and the power of hard work, perseverance, and steadfast determination. One day, a wise old man passing through the village noticed Alex toiling in his fields under the scorching sun. The old man approached Alex and asked, "Why do you work tirelessly, young farmer?" Alex replied, "I believe that with hard work, perseverance, and determination, I can turn this barren land into a bountiful garden that will provide for my community." The old man nodded thoughtfully and said, "Faith without action is like a barren field waiting for rain. It is your unwavering belief in your dream, coupled with your relentless efforts, that will make the impossible possible." Encouraged by the old man's words, Alex then continued to work diligently, tending to his crops with care and dedication. Despite facing setbacks and challenges, he never wavered in his faith or his actions. Months passed, and the village witnessed a remarkable transformation. Alex, once barren land, now bloomed with vibrant fruits and vegetables, a testament to his hard work, perseverance, and steadfast determination. The village now rejoiced as they harvested the bounty from Alex's garden, grateful for his unwavering belief and tireless efforts. The old man then returned to the village and found Alex standing proudly amidst his thriving garden. Smiling, the old man said, "You have shown that faith in action can indeed conquer impossibilities. Your determination has turned this once barren land into a source of abundance for all. May your story inspire others to believe in their dreams and work tirelessly to make them a reality." And so, Alex's story became a parable in the village, teaching all who heard it an valuable lesson that faith, when coupled with action, has the power to conquer even the most daunting impossibilities. So, graduates, I urge you then to hold on to your faith, to let it guide you, but more importantly, to let it move you to action. Believe in yourselves. Work tirelessly towards your goals. Persevere in the face of adversity, and remain steadfast in your determination to succeed. Congratulations to Class 2024 then. May your faith in action lead you to conquer the impossibilities and achieve the extraordinary. The world outweighs your greatness. Remember that, dear graduates. Thank you and congratulations to each and every one of you. Isang matatag na araw sa ating lahat.